Oslo, a bustling city nestled amidst fjords and hills, holds a secret. This vibrant metropolis, known for its modern architecture and rich cultural scene, is also a gateway to an extraordinary natural wonder. Just beyond its urban edge lies Nordmarka, a vast wilderness waiting to be explored. This expansive area is a sanctuary for those seeking solace in nature, offering a stark contrast to the city's hustle and bustle. Imagine stepping off a tram and within minutes, finding yourself surrounded by towering pines and the scent of spruce. The transition from urban to wild is seamless, making it an ideal escape for city dwellers. This is the magic of Nordmarka, a natural haven easily accessible from the heart of Oslo. Here, the trails are well marked, inviting both seasoned hikers and casual walkers to explore its depths. It's a place where city dwellers can escape the concrete jungle and reconnect with the raw beauty of nature. Whether you're looking for a peaceful stroll or an adventurous trek, Nordmarka has something for everyone. Nordmarka is not just a park, it's a sprawling wilderness. Covering nearly 300 square kilometers, it offers a diverse landscape that changes with the seasons, from lush greenery in summer to a snowy wonderland in winter. Covering nearly 300 square kilometers, it offers a diverse landscape of dense forests, sparkling lakes, and rugged hills. Each visit can reveal new sights and experiences, making it a favorite among nature enthusiasts. This proximity to nature is a source of pride for Oslo's residents, who consider Nordmarka their own backyard playground. Families, friends, and solo adventurers alike find joy in its serene environment. Whether it's a spontaneous afternoon hike or a weekend camping trip, Nordmarka offers an escape for everyone. The forest is a living, breathing part of Oslo, cherished by all who visit. Step into Nordmarka and you'll enter a world teeming with life. This vast forested area, located just north of Oslo, is a sanctuary for nature lovers and adventurers alike. The air is crisp and fresh, filled with the earthy scent of pine and the sweet aroma of wildflowers. The forest floor is a mosaic of mosses, lichens and ferns, a testament to the area's rich biodiversity. These tiny plants play a crucial role in the ecosystem, providing food and shelter for countless insects and small animals. As you walk, you'll notice the intricate patterns and vibrant colors that make up this living carpet. Towering pines and spruce trees dominate the landscape, their canopies providing shelter for a wide array of creatures. These majestic trees have stood for centuries, witnessing the changing seasons and the ebb and flow of life in the forest. Their thick bark and sturdy branches offer a safe haven for birds, squirrels, and other wildlife. Look closely, and you might spot the tracks of a moose or deer, the largest mammals that call Nordmarka home. These gentle giants roam the forest, foraging for food and leaving behind a trail of footprints that tell the story of their journey. Observing these tracks can give you a glimpse into the daily lives of these magnificent creatures. But Nordmarka's charm lies in its smaller inhabitants as well. From the industrious ants building their colonies to the delicate butterflies fluttering from flower to flower, the forest is alive with activity. Each small creature plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of this intricate ecosystem. Sprightly red squirrels chase each other through the branches, their chattering a constant soundtrack to the forest. These agile acrobats leap from tree to tree with ease, their bushy tails acting as a counterbalance. Watching their playful antics is a delightful reminder of the joy and vitality that permeates Nordmarka. Elusive foxes leave their telltale tracks in the soft earth, a reminder that even in this peaceful haven, the cycle of predator and prey continues. These cunning hunters are masters of stealth, often seen only as a flash of red fur darting through the underbrush. Their presence adds an element of mystery and excitement to the forest, and high above, rare birds of prey soar on the thermals, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below. These majestic raptors, including hawks and eagles, are the guardians of the sky. Their powerful wings and sharp talons make them formidable hunters, and their presence is a testament to the health and vitality of Nordmarka's ecosystem. The red squirrel, a true icon of Nordmarka, is a delight to behold. These agile creatures with their reddish-brown fur and bushy tails are a common sight throughout the forest. They're incredibly active, constantly leaping from branch to branch, their movements a blur of energy. They'll defend their caches of nuts and seeds with surprising aggression, their high-pitched chattering a warning to any potential rivals. Observing their antics, from their acrobatic feats to their bold personalities, is a constant source of amusement for visitors to Nordmarka. As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows through the trees, keep your eyes peeled for a glimpse of Nordmarka's most elusive resident, the red fox. With their russet fur, pointed ears, and bushy tails, these cunning creatures are the embodiment of wilderness. You're more likely to hear a fox before you see one, sending shivers down your spine. Catching a glimpse of these shy creatures is a rare treat. Winged wonders, rare birds of Nordmarka. For birdwatchers, Nordmarka is a paradise. This vast forested area, located just north of Oslo, offers an unparalleled opportunity to observe a wide array of bird species in their natural habitats. Keep your binoculars handy, and you might spot woodpeckers hammering at tree trunks, their rhythmic drumming echoing through the forest. Owls perch silently in the branches, their keen eyes scanning the forest floor for prey, are a sight to behold, especially during the twilight hours. Or even the majestic goshawk soaring overhead, its powerful wings cutting through the air as it searches for its next meal. Nordmarka is also home to several rare bird species, some of which are seldom seen anywhere else in Norway. This makes it a haven for ornithologists and nature enthusiasts alike, who come from all over the world to study and enjoy these feathered wonders. The elusive black woodpecker, with its striking black plumage and crimson crown, can be heard drumming on dead trees. Its presence is often revealed by the distinctive sound of its pecking. And if you're lucky, you might spot the magnificent white-tailed eagle, a true symbol of wilderness. Its wingspan reaching over 2 meters, soaring effortlessly above the treetops, the white-tailed eagle is a breathtaking sight that leaves a lasting impression on all who witness it. Nature's canvas lakes, cabins, and trails. Nordmarka's beauty extends beyond its flora and fauna. The landscape itself is a work of art, sculpted by glaciers over millennia. Crystal-clear lakes reflecting the surrounding forest like mirrors dot the wilderness, their still waters offering a sense of tranquility. Scattered throughout the forest are charming wooden cabins, painted in traditional red or yellow hues, adding a touch of human presence to the wilderness. These cabins, often available for rent, provide a cozy retreat for those seeking an immersive Nordmarka experience. And connecting it all is a network of well-maintained trails, winding through the forest like arteries, inviting exploration and discovery. Hiking through history. Exploring Nordmarka's trails. Nordmarka's trails are more than just paths through the woods. They're journeys through time. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll along a lakeside path, or a challenging climb to a scenic peak, Nordmarka has a trail for every level of fitness and adventure. Maps and trail markers are plentiful, making it easy to navigate the wilderness and discover its hidden gems. A cyclist's paradise pedaling through picturesque landscapes. For those who prefer 2 wheels, Nordmarka offers a network of gravel roads and trails perfect for mountain biking. Imagine yourself gliding through sun-dappled forests, the wind in your hair, the scent of pine filling your lungs. From gentle slopes to challenging climbs, Nordmarka's cycling routes cater to all abilities. And with stunning views around every bend, it's easy to forget that you're just a stone's throw from the city. So grab your bike, pack a picnic, and prepare for an unforgettable adventure through nature's playground. Finding Serenity Nordmarka, a breath of fresh air. In a world increasingly dominated by technology and urban sprawl, Nordmarka stands as a testament to the importance of preserving natural spaces. It's a place where the stresses of city life melt away, replaced by the tranquility of the forest. So the next time you find yourself yearning for a break from the ordinary, remember Nordmarka. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, challenge yourself physically, and find peace of mind, all within easy reach of Oslo's bustling streets. Nordmarka is a reminder that adventure and serenity are never too far away.